Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect gift for the golfer and hunter in your life, then this rangefinder from Gogogo Sports is it. This rangefinder is very lightweight and has a really nice, comfortable, and ergonomic grip to it. It's very practical and useful for any person who would use it either golfing or hunting. It has a really nice, crisp, and clear picture too. I appreciated that it came with a nice protective carrying case. Now the carrying case not only zips, but it has a nice loop button up top, which makes it easy to access as well. The mode button on top allows you to easily switch between the 3 different modes. Now, typically, mode 1 and 3 are ideal for hunting. These allow you to quickly get an accurate distance, but also track the speed of your moving target. We found that mode 2 was perfect for golfing, but also came in pretty handy for bow hunting when calculated angled distances. This also has a feature for flag lock if you would like to use that too. So whether you're using this on the course or up in a tree stand, you're sure to get a precise and accurate measurements to get you the results that you want with this rangefinder. And that's just our point of view.